Victoria House and Spa. Ooh. I don't know.
You see on the right hand side?
Right?
Was it good?
With the grandma here. With the grandma
Remember
here.
who ordered the dark and stormy?
Oh yeah.
This year? Yeah.
I did. I ordered a rum run.
Not today, but
And they put tequila down.
A dark and stormy? I didn't know
So
what it was.
good. You don't like it?
I haven't had it.
wonder what's
But
a
she's
dirty
always
banana.
giving me no, I'm getting a stumbler after that.
After that.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, you got a stump?
I said Aunt Louise is always trying to make a Cadillac, and I didn't know what a Cadillac was.
A Cadillac margarita?
Yeah, I'm like, is that an old school drink? She's always like,
That's your liquor.
No, you you put Grandma Yaya in it.
I've never had it.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I've never
We
had
do it
Girl,
with
that's
that
like El
and tequila dollars.
Torito's drink.
I ain't doing
It's good.
I love Cadillac margarita.
I was like,
Margarita
is
when
this
it's
old?
made.
This must be what the old folks drink.
They not the old folks.
Old folks.
Oh, it's a video. No, that's a picture.
Picture.
Oh, which one did you order?
I got my ages back.
I got a
I
hurricane.
got hair.
No, for food.
Oh, I want to get the taco gobble.
So when she said that, it clean underwear.
Yeah. See what style? That's from where I'm from.
What the song are y'all talking about?
Yeah.
That's from Previe.
Yeah, pretty.
You never tell me that's old.
I got hair.
When she had lost her edges or something, then she grew her hair back.
Like a lot of black girls who get bread.
And clean underwear.
Yeah, it was a little funny.
Yeah.
It's old.
I hope you got on clean underwear.
He's an Asian old man. You're an
Okay, I'm done. The taco.
Taco over in the door.
Actually, this girl, she's really good.
Yeah.
Everybody film. Look at us.
One day after a tropical storm in Belize.
Still party though, bro. Still got party. Loving it.
Crazy. Hunker down for all the tropical rain and wind. It's still wind here. Rain subsided. So.
Food's been good. Drink's been great. Around with peoples. Life can get better than that, man.
What you think about purchasing on the island?
I'm ready to go.
You interested?
I'm ready to go, bro. I'm ready to drop that money. Let's go, okay? Let's do it. I'm ready to sign.
Others. Right. I don't even know if they're gonna be able to hear me with all this wind blowing.
They gonna know what it is. Look at that. Lighting, bro.
Look at that big ass bird.
What are we pointing at?
Hey, Papi Chulo.
Look up there.
Oh, the cream.
Nice, huh?
What do I think about you? I love you. I love Belize. Like,
Even though we've been hunkered down.
No, it's been, people been so nice that people are important to me. So people been so nice. We're having such a good time. Everyone's been friendly. I love it so much.
We got the tattoo parlor now.
Get tatted.
Time to get tatted. She just got talked into it. She wasn't gonna do it.
No, she was committed. She's committed.
Yeah, it's not committed. She had one to do them 5 shots.
14th tattoo, guys.
5
14.
shots.
1, 4.
Maybe I'll leave right here. I don't have anything right here. Maybe I need something right here. That's how you want to start it?
We have Belizean ink tattoo.
I mean,
Yeah, no, Belizean ink.
You gotta get a sign from the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me look at the outside. Sign real quick.
Look at his little hole thing right here.
Belizean ink. I know that's backwards, but
Woo.
ready?
Yeah.
Let's see. You get it on the
Tattoo
neck.
down on my neck.
Neck time.
Let me look at that tattoo. Like I am now.
Yeah.
So.
What?
That's dope. I like that one.
Dang, you make me want to get that. But I look like
You ready?
Like above the image you have or its own spot?
they're more a little higher than I'm going to blend with that.
Okay. Okay,
So if it don't look right.
I heard this shit hurts though.
So we'll see. Bam.
Like, what is your most painful tattoo?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Put the preschool right next to the tattoo parlor.
Hey, they learn how to walk.
going to get some artwork in there. Let me see some of these.
What's up with yours? Let's see. What you gonna do, bro?
We're gonna do it, bro. The 11-14, like everybody on the rock.
And then you're gonna eventually fill it all, bring it all together.
Create it to one piece. One full sleeve.
It's gonna be all right, man. You ain't gotta cry no more,
Man,
man.
come on, man.
It's okay, man.
I'm getting on the soft spot, bro. Man, we should have bought a vial and we took a shot.
$80 every day.
Like it?
Yeah. Now they're trying to get back up, right? But I mean, it's still good, you know?
You got a Conejo?
Yeah, ooh, I listen to Conejo, Lil One.
Alright. Okay, we came back to.
Take a picture with that one?
Oh, you wanna get in the video? It's a video.
I can get it.
This is the. This guy is a terrible LeBron James fan. Big bad. I don't know why. I have no idea why he do that to himself.
She was like, yeah, she was like, I have pictures of
Amber,
when
what did you get?
I was in
I
there. I
got
was like,
classic hamburger, but this in
Oh,
the
the-
US is not a classic hamburger.
Yeah, it was dope.
Like it literally has a fried egg, like all this good yummy stuff on it. This is over the top. I love it though.
Yeah. What did you get?
I got a chicken sandwich. I just went with a classic.
With extra parmesan. Yeah.
I love cheese. I got
carbonara.
Yeah, this should have went on the top, but they missed it out, so they put it on the side.
Oh, thank you. I got carbonara and fettuccine.
Carbonara and
No
fettuccine.
tomatoes.
Thank you.
Yours is there too. Oh,
potatoes
the baked
look good.
potatoes look good.
It's good too. We thought it was a whole baked potato. We thought it was a whole baked potato.
I leave the best for last.
Yeah. You know you ain't.
Butter in it and butter on the top.
There you go.
There you go.
You ain't got to impress me, man. But that's that Laker love, though. I feel you. I feel you.
A mescalini.
Yeah, you got a photographer over here.
Yep. And we heard this is the best place to eat on the island. So far, they weren't lying.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys ever been?
Man, it's been. You guys haven't been.
Everything is made homemade. That's the reason why too. So
Yeah.
So good.
He's like, hold on. You can't eat. Yeah.
You can't eat. Uh-oh. Good.
Bro. Hey, girl. That's a grown man. Anybody that's dirty or kid? Somebody dirty.
What is fried jack?
Still, I don't know.
It's dough or cheese, right? It's like a bread. Oh, right. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah.
Low-key, I'm whole time we've been here.
Good morning. Good morning.
I don't know. Good morning. Let me turn it on, okay?
You ain't get no views on that video, bro.
Just letting you know. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Good, bro. Good.
We woke up now. At first we was on.
Amber, how you doing over there?
Greg, don't be saying that like you didn't fall asleep first.
I had eye issues.
Did you put that shit on?
I had eye issues. I had health issues.
Do not talk about home business on camera.
My eye was tripping. Nobody say nothing about you when you fell asleep.
What did you do?
Oh, she.
I don't know what you was talking about.
Girl, yeah, they said if you do this to somebody, they actually get scary. You just see this for a style. I was like, what?
Watermelon.
Real watermelon. Coconut daiquiri, bro. By the ocean.
How's the daiquiri?
Pretty good.
Can you taste the liquor?
Yeah. Want to try? Sure.
They're trying to take it easy for morning.
Well, they can't.
Fried duck with 2 eggs.
It's so much smaller than y'all.
It is. It's like right here.
Because I need to.
It's time to go out.
What kind of music you guys like?
Any kind.
Anytime. Listen to a variety.
I would assume. What's up, y'all? Y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
So we on our way to Secret Beach to go see some property.
Are we on the canal by our house?
Nah, ours on the other side.
I'm about to say, oh, tell mommy to come down to the
I mean, I did cheat on the boat, so I kind of stepped for no reason.
Yeah, we all cheated except not me because I didn't have my watch. So
Hey, this is his house right here.
I told you.
No, this isn't ours. Yeah, this is his house. That we just
You didn't even see me do that shit.
Right?
I took my arm off.
secret beach. With all the fish and whatnot. But they got a spot on the green. You get a massage right there.
Like Father Paul. Just get out like that.
All the way to the beach there. So this is all future land that we're going to be selling. Where that excavator is up there on the right hand side, that's our best lots over there. So that's where we'll go first.
Okay.
We'll check those out. We'll show you the airport. Once we get to the end of the road, how long before the buyers are able, if they wanted to develop on it? How long now. They can develop now? They can develop now. Well, clearing and filling a lot, like back here, like these come clearing and filling.
We're out here.
We're out here.
Usually when someone buys a lot, they'll buy something that looks like this, just shrubs and bushes, and we build, I mean, you level it, and then you do whatever landscape you want.
What you think?
It's incredible. I love it so much.
Very interesting, right?
We're right over here by Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh, Leonardo. Where is it at? Right there. That's Leonardo DiCaprio's island.
There's Jay Prince's
I
island.
put it
Jay
in the
Prince got an island
Over there.
over there. Over there.
This house is crazy. 10 bedrooms.
Tell her we might go to December birthday.
Sauna or is that a sauna?
Secret Beach, can you build like a cement house in Secret Beach?
Yeah. Secret Beach is also cement, right? Cement house?